Okay, if the first way did not work, if you went and clicked on the browse button and that does not allow you to save the file or save that to your jump drive, then this is a second way of doing or accomplishing the same task. I will post this web address, which is an Office Microsoft.com web address that will bring you to the particular file right here. It should say Desktop Event Management. If you will click the download button, all right, it's going to ask you to save the file. Again, you're going to put in the name of the file that you want to use to save it as. It will save that, and again, you just simply enable content, and you should have the data file. Now, once you have that information created, I would suggest that the next thing you do is close this and then move it to your desktop or to your pen drive. So in order to do that, I'm going to come into my directories here, and since I said I saved it in Documents, I'm going to go to Documents. I'm going to select my file, copy it, and then I'm going to bring it back over here to my jump drive, and of course I'm going to paste it in this particular one. Alright, so when I paste it there, I'm just going to do a copy and a replace, so I now have my data file there that I can work with. Alright, so if I were to go back into Access and I wanted to open that file up, I can simply go to Open, go to my computer, Browse, come over to my E drive, select my file, and now the file that I'm actually working with I know is on my jump drive, and I have that particular copy. So that's sort of a way around getting the file if the file management stuff, if it will not allow you to browse. We've had sort of hit and miss luck with the browsing, so you may go in and it may work perfectly fine, or you may have some issues, and I know that both people over in computer services as well as some people we're talking at Microsoft are trying to figure out why we're having these problems. I don't have an answer at this point. We're just still trying to research it and figure out what we need to do to fix it. So please bear with me, but that's exactly how that works. The other point that I will make to you, when you're looking at your data files, if you want to see where the data files are stored, okay, if you look up here at the very top where the pointer is pointing, it says E Tom Duda, and it gives me the name of the file. If I know that E is my thumb drive, that is where the data file is that you are working on. And if it has something like //ZenLab or something like that, EXN Lab or EXN System or something, that means that it is not stored on your jump drive, but it is stored on the virtual machine. So that's how you can tell, where you are as far as where the files are located that you're working on. Thank you.